Hi, this is Rajan from Networkz Systems. We have started this training industry in the year 2002. We have more than 23 years of experience in this training industry. We have started our IT division during 2008. All our trainers are CPD certified trainers. That means whether the students are learning from Trivandrum or Ernakulam or Thrissur or outside Kerala like Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, the same syllabus will be followed everywhere. In Networkz Systems, we focus industry-based curriculum. After the training, some of our students, they get the placement in the source company. For example, if they learn CCNA, we have noticed few of our students got placed in Cisco. This shows that we are giving the industry-based curriculum as a training. We have presence in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. We are having accreditation with the NSIM, National Skill India Mission. For each course which they join, they have to do a sample project. This project will be assisted by our CPD certified trainers. For each course, students, they have to submit the feedback form. We have more than 99.98% of positive feedback. For the courses which they are joining, they get lifetime free training. If you want to build your skills, Networkz Systems is the right place. I wish everyone to get the training from Networkz Systems and have a great future. Thank you.